there's an underrepresentation of black women in leadership positions. On the Financial Times Stock Exchange, so the FTSE 100, there is no black women on board. Actually, there's actually no black anything. There's no black women on boards, right? And that's of the last year or two. So, and I guess one of the difficulties is that when they use the word BAME, and some of you may not know, BAME stands for Black, Asian, Minority Ethnic, BME stands for Black, Minority Ethnic. And when you actually look at the composition of what BME or BAME stands for, it includes travellers, it includes white Irish. I don't know if it includes white other, but it basically is non-British, non-white British people. So that means when you're saying BAME could be a white person of a different country, or maybe you call it ethnicity. It could be a white person in race, but they are from Ireland, or they're from Spain potentially, or they're from Poland. You're just thinking, wait a minute, then they're not an ethnic minority. They might be a minority, cultural minority, or whatever, but they're not an ethnic minority. So it really is important that we do not homogenize all races that are considered a minority. I think nowadays we're saying that the global majority, because the global majority is actually African and Asian. Asia and Africa are the biggest population in the world,